everyone, it's Joset van de Burgt here, filling in for Technique Friday with Els. Today I'll be showing you how to create this cute newborn card using the bunny die set and the Moda Scrap My Little Boy paper pack, along with a few other products. I'll quickly show you the paper pack here. It's really beautiful. It comes in all these nice patterns, and it does also come in the My Little Girl version. So the first thing what I did was cutting all the pieces for the bunny from white soft finished cardstock. And you can use either the 85 lb or the 100 lb. Some pieces that I need to glue down, like the pieces for the ears, I used clear double-sided adhesive on the back. In that case I like to use the 85 lb. And I colored with Distress ink. For the bunny itself I used the Pumice stone. For the the lighter part of the bunny I used the tea dye, and for the little mouth the ripe Persimmon. And for the eyes I just used really fine black permanent marker. And to add the color, you really just make small circular motions. You can add a bit more color where you want it a bit darker. And I'm working on a craft mat. You can also work on the back of the clear double-sided adhesive, the leftover sheets. That works really well as well. There you go. So I did already create my bunny, and in the die set there is a part to create just a sitting bunny like this. This is his belly, and then a lighter version of his belly. There's a little carrot in it as well, but you can also make the bunny from behind. So you would use the circle as well, and then you just turn the feet around. The card is 5.5 by 4.25 A2 size, and this is the soft finish cardstock as well. And I cut a stitched rectangle from the paper with the stars, and I cut out a star as well using one of the stars from the Fitted Stars die set. Then I cut another rectangle from the fitted rectangle, the same size, from white soft finish cardstock. And then I'm going to add a piece of clear double-sided adhesive, and I'm just going to add it here in the corner. This is 3 by 3, and because the star it will fit the star, because I'm going to add some silk microfine glitter just to kind of give a fun look here, as you can see. So I'm just going to get my glitter tray. I'll peel it off. I'm using the Cool Diamonds silk microfine glitter. Just brush it. Just brush off the excess glitter. And I'm using a coffee filter, it's always handy. And in my tray I have a few Swiffer cloths, because they are good to work on. They're static, so they'll pick up all the glitter. And always polish your glitter as well. That really rubs the glitter into the tape. And then you can see all the nice sparkles. So what I did next, I used foam tape, so it kind of looks like the bunny is it's jumping in the star. So I used some foam tape on the back. And the set has 7 different size stars, or sorry, 6 different size stars in the set. And we also have the stitch stars set, which is really nice as well. And this part, I use a small piece and I'll cut it in half. There we go. So now I stick this right on top. And then from this pattern paper with the feet, I cut a rectangle using the dashing rectangles. And for that, I'll just use some clear double-sided adhesive tape. And right in the middle, hopefully. And then this goes on the front of your card. So now you have your card base ready with all the decorations except for the bunny. So for the little bunny I'm using foam adhesive as well. So that one kind of jumps into the star. And I also cut a fishtail banner from the dotted pattern paper, and I'm going to stamp the sentiment on top of that. And I'm using the Sentiments 2 set, just because it comes with all these words. And it does also come with a matching die set, if you want to have like a white border around it. In this case, I'm stamping right on top of the banner. And if I want to do this, I first cut out the outline, so the die cut word, and then I stamp, and I kind of just eyeball it, and usually it works fine. So I'm using the Hello Cutie, and I'm just using black ink. And oops, there we go. And then the cutie. There you go. That looks all right. So, and for the banner, I'm using foam tape as well. I like to just use a big strip of it. So this comes here, goes here down the bottom here, and a little bunny kind of pokes behind it. So let me first glue down my bunny. Oh. So the bunny kind of goes like here. And oh, the banner just there. And there you go. Isn't that cute for a newborn card? And of course you can do the girls version as well. Thank you for watching. I've suggested a couple of videos that I think you will enjoy as well. And don't forget to download the free project sheet and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.